I want to pay you to start an Amazon FBA business or invest in your existing Amazon FBA business. And Amazon FBA is a huge opportunity right now. In fact, e-commerce in general is a huge opportunity right now. I talk about it all the time on my channel, but I'm going to put my money where my mouth is and invest in your business. And I've personally started a lot of different e-commerce Amazon FBA businesses, and I've helped other people start a lot of other e-commerce and Amazon FBA businesses with my Amazon course. So I feel like I figured out the formula of how to have success on Amazon. And before I get into this video, a quick update. Next week, I'm going to be reopening up my Amazon FBA course, the Passion Product Formula. There's only going to be 50 spots available. I open it up every once in a while. It's not open all the time, but for 1 week only, starting next week, it will be open to the first 50 people that sign up. But one of the biggest issues people have with starting an Amazon FBA business is they just don't have enough money. And I want to alleviate that concern with you. And I've invested in a lot of different Amazon businesses. One of the first Amazon businesses I invested in, other than all my own businesses, was my girlfriend's company, Vino Cards. And she didn't have a lot of extra cash to start this business, but I believed in the idea. So I gave her some money, and now she's been able to quit her job. She's able to pay all the bills using the money and profit that she makes from this business. I also invested in AJ's business, and he was a student in the Passion Product Formula. He had been a bartender for 10 years, and I thought, wait, why don't we do cocktail flashcards? And I gave him some money to help him start his business. And the truth is, he ended up not even really needing the money. He followed my methodology, the Passion Product Formula, and he's been able to raise over $90,000 on Indiegogo. Now, as I was seeing the success he was having with cocktail cards, I gave him some more money just to really ramp up his production and sales and all that kind of stuff. And the other way that I invested in AJ's company was I actually invested my time. I've been meeting every single week for the last almost year with AJ, talking about the business, strategizing, and trying to figure out how we can make this business as successful as possible. So I'm not only looking to invest money into your Amazon FBA business, I'm looking to invest my time into your Amazon business to make sure that it's successful. So yes, if you have an existing Amazon business, I'm still interested in investing in your business. If my capital or my time can help rocket ship your success, I have a Google form down below you can fill out if you have an existing business. If you're new to Amazon and maybe you have an idea and you want to turn it into a successful business, but you don't know how or you don't have the capital, I also have a Google form down below. You can fill it out, and if it's a good match, I'll get in contact with you. But the truth is, I'm most likely to invest in and want to help out people that are in my Amazon FBA program, the Passion Product Formula, because I know those people are serious, that they're dedicated, they actually want to have success with their Amazon business. And there's almost no risk for you, and I'm going to be actively trying to partner with people in this program. Now, if you join the program, you don't necessarily need to partner with me. There's students that are doing hundreds of thousands of dollars a month off Amazon, another one that's doing tens of thousands of dollars profit per month. There's a lot of success stories, and I want you to be one of the success stories. My goal is to fill this entire wall with products, successful products from students, and I've already started having a lot of success stories, but I want to continue to help people to start their Amazon business, because for me, starting my Amazon FBA business was the best thing I've ever done. It's given me freedom to be able to travel the world, to be able to spend my time doing the things that I love doing, and I want to be able to help you to have that same amount of freedom. The Amazon FBA program comes with 10 plus hours of step-by-step A through Z content to help you always know what is the next step in starting your Amazon business. It also comes with weekly Q&A calls where you can talk to me or another Amazon expert and ask all your questions so you never get stuck. It also comes with some one-on-one consulting sessions to accelerate your results, as well as lifetime access to a private Facebook group, a private mastermind community where you can interact and ask questions to the other members. On top of that, I'm gonna set you up in a group of 5 other students that are also dedicated to success, and you guys as a group can go through the program, ask each other questions, learn from each other, and there's a bunch of other bonuses in the program. And again, I'm opening it up starting next Tuesday and closing it the Tuesday after that. So it's only going to be open for 1 week. I'm also only going to have 50 spots available for this round of the program because I want to make sure that every single person that joins has the highest chance of success possible. So I have to cap it at 50 people, and I'm going to close registration after a week because I want to help you get started on your Amazon business right away. This is a huge opportunity. You can click right here if you want to get on the wait list for when I open up registration starting next week. It's going to be a first come, first serve. So if you're interested in learning more, click here, get on the wait list, and I hope to see you in the program, and I hope to potentially maybe even partner on a product with you. So click right here, and I hope to see you in the course. Thanks for watching.